Hi guys, hope you people are doing so well. We are back again with another amazing video. Thanks for being here. In our today's video, we are going to show you some creative woodworking projects that you can sell online and you can earn money. Are you a woodworking enthusiast looking to turn your passion into a profitable business? With the rise of online marketplaces, selling your woodworking projects online has never been easier. Here are some creative woodworking projects that you can make and sell online to earn money while showcasing your woodworking skill. Custom furniture is always in demand and people are willing to pay a premium for unique handmade pieces that are crafted with care. You can create custom furniture pieces such as dining table, coffee table, bookshelves, and the nightstands. Use high quality wood, incorporate interesting design and the finishes, and offer customization option to attract customer looking for one of a kind furniture for their homes. Home decor item made from wood can add warmth and charm to any living space. You can create a wide range of home decor items such as wall art, wall sign, picture frames, candle holders, and plant stands. Experiment with different shapes, sizes, and the finishes to cater to various interior design style and the market them as unique and handcraft pieces that will elevate the aesthetic of any home. Wooden toys have a timeless appeal and rare by children and the parents alike. You can create a wooden toys such as building block, puzzles, cars, trains, and the doll houses. Use child-safe material, ensure smooth edges and the finishes, and focus on durability to create toys that are not only beautiful but also safe and enjoyable for the kids. Offer customization options such as an engraving name or adding personal touches to make them extra special. Kitchen and the serving utensils made from wood are not only functional but also aesthetically appealing. You can create wooden cutting board, serving trays, spoon, spatulas, or the rolling pans. Use food safe wood, incorporate interesting pattern and a design, and apply wood safe finishes to ensure that the items are safe for use in a kitchen. Market them as a unique and eco-friendly alternative to the plastic or the metal utensils, appealing to customers who value sustainability and the craftsmanship. Invest in high quality product photography to showcase your beauty and the craftsmanship. Write detailed and accurate product descriptions. Promote on the social media. Provide excellent customer service by responding promptly to the unique processing order in timely manner and delivering a product in a good condition. Encourage customer review and the testimonial to build a strong relationship with your customer.